Welcome, this is Gauri Gopnath for NE24. On the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi completing 11 years in office, a meeting as part of the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra, resolution for a developed India with a vision for 2047 was held on Thursday at the Kashipur Mandal office, presided over by Mandal President Sujit Goyal. The event began with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp by the Mandal President along with other dignitaries present. In his opening speech, Sujit Goyal explained the purpose of the meeting. Former Mandal President Manas Datta also addressed the gathering. Prasenjit Bhattacharya, District Vice President, spoke on the government's foreign policy and defense strategies. Somnath Dev, Principal of Nursing Higher Secondary School, delivered a speech on economic development. The keynote speaker of the day was Mandal in charge Nabarun Chakravarti. The Sankalp Patra, that is the resolution pledge, was read out by Vice President Govinda Ghosh. Report filed by Nihar Kanti Roy from Kashipur. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24 YouTube and support us by following our Facebook page.
কেবল নিজের অধিকারে সীমাবদ্ধ না রেখে সমাজের সমস্ত শ্রেণীর মানুষকে ভোট দেওয়ার জন্য অনুপ্রাণিত করে গণতান্ত্রিক প্রক্রিয়া প্রসার ঘটাতে প্রতিশ্রুতিবদ্ধ।